Alright, so this is a piece of slag glass that I actually melted in a microwave kiln from the pieces from Knapping a biface out of slag glass. So I wanted to see if it was like regular glass that I could melt down. And you can see what I have right here. So I want to try to put together a little short video maybe of me knapping this in different stages. I'll come back and we'll see what we come up with. Okay, so I've been working on this just a little bit, going around the edges, and you can see that I'm working on this side right here first more than I am this side, because if you look, this side already has some convexity to it. This side is flat, which is what happens with a microwave kiln when you melt it. You're going to have flat sides, so I am just going around the edges here. Not sure how good you can see, but you can see I'm just putting some little short flakes in, building a little convexity into the piece before I try to clear all this flat off and this real shiny flat stuff that don't have flakes. Building some convexity in it all the way around, and I'm just trying to build a little convexity is the main goal of what I'm doing. Hopefully y'all will see what I'm talking about. It's not just flat across here, and I'm just randomly working the platforms like this that are available. I'm not really setting the whole edge up or anything yet. I may shortly though do that so I can run a pass across it, set it all up, and go. I'm just doing this with a little bit of heavy, not real heavy pressure, and a slotted pad is what I'm using to do this. Alright, so I made another pass on it. Then I broke the tip off a little bit, but I want to show that you know, you're going to break stuff. That's just part of it. Makes it a little bit shorter than it was. No big deal. I can put another tip on there, no problem. You can see the flakes are starting to run a little bit farther up in there, and that's due to the convexity. You can see my edges are kind of wonky right now, but that's alright. I'll take advantage of these low platforms, push some flakes in. Same thing on this side. Start probably working both sides now to try to clear some of this stuff up over here. I have good convexity over there, and then we're just going to see what happens. Hopefully we end up with some kind of point out of this. I'm just sitting here, got off work, sitting in my room, so I can't do a lot of indirect. I'd love to run a few of the indirect strikes on it. I might try a couple, and it may or may not be the end of the video if I do. Alright, so I went ahead and braved it, and I took some indirect flakes. I took some of the mass off a little bit, a little thin. You can see some of the bigger, bolder flakes on here, hopefully. Not sure how good the quality this is. Maybe I need to clean the lens. But I didn't break it, so there's that. Some pretty nice bold flakes. I'm going to try to make the other side look like this side. Alright, so I'll get back with you in a minute and see what happens. Alright everybody, so this was the side that I had completely cleared. Got the big boulder flakes in it here. She's thinning down just a little. I don't know why this is not focusing real well. And this is the side that was all rough, so I did go ahead and do indirect on it. It kind of looks funny because you can see through the material here. It's translucent. You can see the flake scars on the other side, but you can see it's not near as rough and lumpy as it looks in the video when you look straight down on it like that. It's a lot of reflections and trickery. It's trickery, I say, trickery. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to do anything else to it yet tonight. I may do a part 2. I may just finish it all and put it all together. But anyway, so yeah, you can melt down slag glass and your pieces of it and get another point out of your scrap, which is awesome. It's kind of like free material. Alright, I'll get back with you.